mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. November 17, 2024, Sunday Racing. Meron tayong 7 karera at meron tayong 2 stake race. Nasa race 2 at 3. Umpisahan na po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Sa race number 1, first choice number 2, road safety. Second choice number 6, Dakota Elegant. Dito sa race number 2, ang 2024 Philracom second leg 3-year-old imported local challenge race. May distansyang 1,800. First choice natin pa rin, number 5, Birthstone. Second choice, yung muntik tumalo sa kanya last time out, number 4, Perfect Shot. Race number 3, ang 2024 Philracom PCSO Grand Derby. May distansyang 1,800 meter. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 4, Batang Manda. Second choice, number 1, Worshipful Master. Dumako tayo sa race number 4. First choice, number 2, and only choice na natin, Friends Leather. Race 5. First choice natin, number 5, Electrify. Second choice, number 6, My Chopay. 6, race na may pentapekta. Penultimate race. First choice natin, number 4, Work Bell. Last time out, dun sa karerang pinanalunan ni Espolarium ay underrated yung kanyang performance. Pero ngayon, sasakyan na ni JB ay expected ko po na mas maganda at baka win na ang ipakita rito. Race 6 uli, first choice natin, Work Bell. Second choice, coupled entry, 3, Autumn Shower, 3A, Jubilum. Third choice, number 6, Louisville. Tayo sa race 7, last race. Pentapekta rin dahil kulang ang entries, pipito lang. Ay dito tayo sa number 5, Kaboom. At second choice, hindi pa rin natin bibitawan, number 4, Puting Kabayo, Captain Bob. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!